So after the orders are segregated by their batch, they're transported over to one of the machines. So here we have a colleague that's working in process. So the SureSort, it's basically a machine that has a bunch of tiny bots inside. When pieces are placed into the induction, the machine will know which bin to bring it over to. So each of these bins corresponds to 1 or 2 customer orders. With customers that order a lot of stuff, they get 2 or more bins, but typically it's usually one bin per customer. So this machine does a lot of hard work for us, where in a traditional environment, each colleague is basically picking one customer order at a time, where now that we can batch 200 orders together, we can pick it a lot faster because we're grabbing multiple units at once, and the machine will do the hard work and segregating it out into the orders. So here we have a colleague. When they start their wave, they basically scan the tote. The system will know what's inside the tote from the label that's on it. And then all they do is just induct single piece by single piece into the machine. In terms of rates, we can expect to see up to 2,000 to 2,500 pieces per hour inducted in the machine, assuming that there's no downtime or delays. I don't see any completed orders over here. Maybe on this side? Yeah. So when the orders are completed, they'll usually light up green. When that happens, we have a separate colleague that works as a pulling function. So what they'll do is they'll pull out the order from the bin, they'll scan it, and they'll transport it into a separate bin that eventually gets dropped onto a takeaway conveyor into our bagging room. Since they're pulling as they're going, I don't see any green lights at the moment. You might have saw one light. Oh, shoot.
Jackie Davis is on 2, please. Jackie Davis is on 2.
Yeah. Looks like they got all the lights so far.